This week on Nickabenson.
Recently nothing new has happened yet in the streets of Rocket City when it comes to the affairs of real-life superheroes.
Several new Nickabenson vids up this week though.
That's right. Especially his newest pivot animation, My Name is Charles.
Yeah, I was actually just on tinag.webs.com when you came in. Where you can solve cool mysterious puzzles to help Charles fight the energy beings.
That sounds awesome. I'll go try that out right now.
And don't forget to check out the brand new Go Animate cartoons on the Nickabenson channel.